We love colours. Vibrant, clear, subtle or sharp. And we want them to stay that way. When you wash your clothes, minerals and impurities in the water build up in the fibres. This causes the texture and quality of your garments to deteriorate over time. But the groundbreaking AEG SoftWater technology softens and purifies water by removing these harsh minerals. Detergents work more effectively in softened water, meaning you get 60-degree wash results at only 30 degrees. And our tests show that blacks remain true, wash after wash, year after year. AEG's SoftWater technology keeps colours vibrant and blacks true.